Hello, in front of me I've got Nintendo Switch PDP controller. In this video I'll tell you what is the best controller mapping. For the PDP Phase of Deluxe Plus controller on Nintendo Switch are multiple functions for the back controls mapping. Basically, the most useful way to use back controllers is by assigning them to dodge or jump, reload or melee in shooters, or sprint or interact in adventure games, because often you sprint by pressing L3. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.